here today because we recognize that it has to be everyone's contribution.
Along with community partners, Northwood High School hosted a bilingual fentanyl family forum to raise awareness of the deadly consequences of illegal fentanyl currently affecting many youth in our community.
I'm very happy MCPS is showing a great deal of leadership. This is of grave concern and yes, crisis level for our community. And having correct information and an honest conversation about these challenges is critically important, especially now.
Fentanyl is a deadly drug. Now, we know that adolescents like to test boundaries, they like to experiment, they like to be independent, but unlike other decades now in other drugs, this drug can take your child's life. And so I really want parents to be aware of that, to get educated, to get support if they need it.
Hundreds of parents and students share their concerns and learned important information on the dangers of fentanyl, prevention tools.
This is about bringing awareness,
and protective factors for students and resources for treatment when needed.
I learned the signs and symptoms for an overdose, what it can look like, what forms it can come in, how to administer the Narcan, was able to get an actual kit, and also got some questions answered about how it's showing up in schools and the amount of overdoses there's been today.
I think it's important that both students and parents get more information on what's happening in the world and in the schools with drugs and everything like that.
I think it's really scary, honestly. The idea that I could have friends or I could have people I know who could possibly die from an overdose is really terrifying, honestly.
The Department of Health and Human Services also had a demonstration in English and Spanish on how to administer Narcan, a potentially life-saving medication designed to help reverse the effects of an opiate overdose in minutes. Families battling opiate addiction can seek professional support at the Montgomery County Crisis Center by calling 240-777-4000. In Silver Spring, Maryland, Marcela Rodriguez Villagran.